Hey guys, it is Jen with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. The fall decorating has begun. Let me know in the comments below if you have started decorating as well or when you plan on decorating. I have started and I'm so excited to take you around my dining room today and show you what I have done for fall. So I'm going to take you on a little tour, and at the end I'm going to make one of my favorite fall drinks, an apple cider float. Let me know if you've ever had an apple cider float. It is so easy and yummy, and certainly a fall treat you will love. So we're going to have that at the end of the tour. I also have a few fall finds I want to show you. So if you are getting all ready for fall and looking for some new candles, I have some suggestions for you. If people are looking for a fall pillow, I have an idea for you too. So first up, I want to show you a few new candles that I picked up for fall. I love fall candles. I could probably burn them year round. I just love the way it makes a home smell, the cinnamons and the cloves and all of those yummy homey smells. So I picked up some candles from Copper Candle Co. I love Copper Candle Co. You know, Farmhouse is one of my favorite scents if you've seen that in other videos. I also collabed with them over the summer with that Blueberry Crumble by Mother Time. If you had a chance to pick that up too. So the first one I picked up is Autumn Flannel. And this one, you guys, I am obsessed with. It doesn't smell pumpkin. It's not screaming apple. It just smells, it smells like fall. It smells so good. A little bit of cedar. It's just a beautiful, beautiful smell. I've actually been burning it quite a bit. It smells so great. It's got a wonderful throw to it. It definitely fills up this entire room. I've been burning it a lot in here when I've been decorating, and I just love the way it makes this room smell. So I picked up Autumn Flannel, and I also picked up pumpkin apple butter. Who doesn't love pumpkin apple? So this one didn't scream the pumpkin and apple. This one definitely has the combination of both the pumpkin and the apple married together, and it is absolutely beautiful. If you love more of a sweeter scent, this definitely smells like that, and it's definitely a balance between the pumpkin and apple. I'm picking up a little bit more apple than pumpkin, so if you love that kind of scent, this is the pumpkin apple butter. It smells so good. I've been burning that one too, as you can see in here as well when I've been decorating, and I love the way it smells. It's got a great throw too. I know I always want to know what kind of throw a candle has, and both of them definitely fill up this entire room and then some. I can smell it as I'm even in the kitchen as well. And then I picked up caramel, or this actually came with my candles, the caramel popcorn, and I need to get a bigger one of this because if you love caramel popcorn in a fall festival, this is caramel popcorn to a T. It smells so yummy. I keep smelling the bag. It smells so good. So I definitely want to pick up a larger one of that because that smells super, super good. One of my other favorite scents from Copper Candle Co. is Cider Donut. That was my scent last fall. I may need to get that one still for this fall too because it smells so good. So I'll include a link as well as a coupon code in the description below. Next, I couldn't wait to share with you my new pillow from Pillow Panels. This is such a brilliant idea. So you grab one of their pillows. They have different pillow covers. There's a buffalo check. There's even a pinstripe. There's this one that I have. There's a few different options. And then you get these panels that you can change out seasonally. And there is a panel for every season and occasion, from New Year's to Christmas and everything in between. And then you just unbutton it and you put your new panel on. Is that not a great idea? I love this concept. And guess what? You just flip it around, and in the back pocket, you store all of your panels. You can put up to 30 panels in the back pocket, and then when you're ready to change it out for Thanksgiving and then Christmas and then New Year's and Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day, and the list goes on and on. You can even get customized ones too. So this is one of the ones that I got for fall. I love the pumpkin on it. So pretty. And then I picked up a few other fall panels as well. Look at this one. This one says Hello Fall with the cute little bike on it too. Isn't that cute? And then the truck. I love the truck. Is that not pretty? I love that one. And then the wheat. So pretty. And then you just button it on the front and store it in the back. Such a great idea, isn't it, you guys? I absolutely love this pillow, so I wanted to share that with you now, and I will include the link for this as well as a coupon code in the description below. And if you are new here, again, welcome. I love sharing home decor, cooking, and DIY here on my channel. So if those are videos you enjoy watching, make sure you click the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Okay, you guys, grab yourself a pumpkin spice latte or a hot apple cider, sit back, relax, and let the fall tour of my dining room begin. Down this hallway off my kitchen is my dining room, and it is my favorite room in my home to decorate and also for me to come and sit and have a little mommy time. I love decorating this space, and the inspo for this year's fall dining room are the leaves that are in the basket next to my hutch. I found them in a storage bin. I got them several years ago at Tatter Tulip, which is a local shop here in the Buffalo area. And I put them in the basket, and I just love the color and the tones and how it looked in here. And that is what inspired this year's fall dining room decor. I kept the decor on the dining room table simple. I added dried hydrangeas to this crock, and then I just like to stack the plates on the table now. I used to love doing plate settings, but I'll be honest with you, I started doing this a few months ago, and now I enjoy just having the plates cleaned and ready to go on the table, and then we can grab them when we're ready to eat. I also added this apple ladder into the dining room. I love how perfect it is for fall, and I love how it fills the space. On top of my hutch, I just added a few simple fall touches, including some hops and of course a pumpkin. On this table, I added a pumpkin sign, and I really like the way it looks leaning against the mirror. I also added a topiary, my vintage pewter teapot, an onion lantern, some hops, and a pumpkin. I wanted to make the dining room feel homey and cozy, and I am loving the neutral fall vibes in here as well. I love making a space feel cozy with lighting, so I have all of the lights on and it instantly warms up the room. I also love using lanterns, and this electric oil lamp is one of my favorites that I love to keep on. I also have my onion lantern, all the ways to make a room feel cozy. And underneath this table, I filled this basket with dried gourds. This little space was the inspo again for my dining room. I put these leaves in this basket, and I love the way the color popped against the black hutch. Then I added the pumpkins, and everything just started coming together. The two trays sitting on the dining room table with the mugs and the crock on it are actually part of one of my tier trays. So a great way to repurpose it to your tray if you are not using it is to take it apart and use it as two individual trays. And on top of this cabinet, I added a dough bowl that I filled with a few pumpkin and some hops. I also added a little muted greenery around the dough bowl as well. And these are dried oats from Hobby Lobby. I love the selection of dried florals at Hobby Lobby. I've actually had these dried oats in these baskets for some time, and I love how they work with my fall decor as well. I also have a lantern on top of my hutch. It is an electric lantern, and I love how it warms up that space, and even in the evening, I love that subtle glow. Now it's time to make some apple cider floats. I'm going to begin by filling my cups with ice cream. I'm using a caramel swirl ice cream, which is super yummy in this. You could use vanilla, you could use maple, whatever flavor you want. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of apple cider into each of the cups. And then I fill the rest up with sparkling apple cider. I top the apple cider floats with whipped cream and caramel. This is such a fun and yummy fall treat. You'll have to let me know if you give this a try. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got some fall inspo for your home too. And there is so much more fall content coming up. I have fall decorating, more fall crafting, Halloween crafting, of course Christmas crafting. So stay tuned. And for daily decor and DIY inspo, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Mother Time. Thank you so much for spending time with me here today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.